Listen and practice. Listen and practice. Maj is more expensive than rice and wheat. It contains about 11% non-vegetarian ingredients. Meat contains more essential amino acids, tryptophan and lysine. In addition, yellow corn kernels contain about 90 milligrams of carotene or vitamin A per 100 grams. Herbal qualities, uses, Maj kernels are used as human food and Maj plants and green leaves are used as high-quality cattle fodder. It also has considerable importance as poultry and fish food. About 270,000 tons of corn grains are required annually to meet the needs of animals, chicken farms and fish. Basically, potato is a perennial tuberous crop belonging to the family Solanaceae. In the 16th century, the English botanist John Gerard coined the terms bastard potato and Virginia potato and named the sweet potato as the common potato. Potatoes are very effective in strengthening the body, especially the spleen and stomach. This plant is useful in the problem of deficiency of kidney function. This method is effective in relieving common cold. Potatoes contain sugars, carbohydrates, colloids, vitamin BRC, potassium and solanine. The benefits of round potatoes are similar to those of sweet potatoes, but a little less. It is helpful in removing weakness of spleen and stomach as well as general weakness of the body. Potatoes are very effective in strengthening the body, especially the spleen and stomach. This plant is useful in the problem of deficiency of kidney function. Its benefits can also be seen in the case of bed bugs. In that case, feed the patient sweet potatoes with animal liver, especially goat's liver. In villages and even in towns, there is a custom of eating sweet potatoes after burning them in a fire. This method is effective in relieving common cold. Potatoes contain sugars, carbohydrates, colloids, vitamin BRC, potassium and solanine. The benefits of round potatoes are similar to those of sweet potatoes, but a little less. It is helpful in removing spleen and stomach weakness as well as general body weakness. Nutritional value of turnip. Turnip is basically a winter vegetable. Every 100 grams of turnip contains 0.5 grams of fat, 6.2 grams of sugar, 0.9 grams of carbohydrates, 0.2 grams of fat, 29 kilocalories of energy, 30 milligrams of calcium, 40 milligrams of phosphorus, 43 milligrams of vitamin C. Turnip is a very nutritious vegetable. Generally, this winter vegetable has a lot of vitamins, calcium, potassium and a lot of fiber. Its leaves can be eaten as a vegetable, which is very nutritious. Let's know what are the benefits of eating turnip. If the pancreas cannot produce proper insulin in the body or the proper functioning of insulin in the body is disrupted, then it is called diabetes. Patients suffering from this disease have frequent urination, feels more thirsty and often has a dry mouth. The sufferers suffer from various problems including extreme weakness, constant hunger, loss of body weight in a short period of time, blurred vision. They will eat green vegetables along with medicine. Especially eat turnips. It is very beneficial for diabetic patients. Turnip helps to increase the immunity of the body. It is beneficial for the heart. The vitamin C in it prevents cell damage in the body. Turnip leaves contain beneficial compounds called glucosinolates, which prevent cancer and regulate blood cholesterol levels. Since turnip is rich in fiber, it cures constipation. Turnip helps to cure phlegm, bronchitis and asthma. Turnip purifies the blood. By helping to increase blood cells, it prevents infection in the body. Turnip removes hunger. Turnip juice helps to reduce the level of uric acid in the blood. It plays an effective role in curing acne and other skin problems.